Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another K-drama video, and in this video I have come up with a list of 13 music K-dramas that will have your heart singing. Music is a universal language that speaks to heart and souls, which is why when a K-drama's storyline is based on music, it makes it that much more enjoyable to watch. And there have been a fair share of music-themed K-dramas, and I'm gonna give you a list of 13 K-dramas that you should consider to watch right now, or at least add these dramas to your binge watch list and consider to watch these dramas later. Before starting this video, I just have a little request from you guys. Just click the like button on this video, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 1. Do you like Bahamas? Chesonga, played by Park Kyun Bin, is a university student who works very hard to become a violinist. Unfortunately, there are various obstacles in the way that prevents her from attaining her dreams. She meets Park Jun Young, played by Kim Min Jae, who is a famous pianist and out of her league. Yet he takes a strong liking to Songa and the two engage in a sweet romance. If you haven't seen a Park Yoon Bin or Kim Min Jae drama, then this is the perfect one to watch. The two have a solid repertoire of dramas and are able to really draw their viewers into whatever roles they take on. You will find yourself getting stuck into innocent romance of Songa and Jun Young, hoping that they will end up together. It's a realistic love story that tackles the hardships of achieving your dreams and discovering who you really are. Their love story gives you butterflies and break your heart at the same time. Number 2. The Liar and His Lover. Based on the Japanese manga series, The Liar and His Lover is about a very gifted and successful producer named Kang Han Kyul, played by Lee Hyun Woo. Yoon So-rim falls in love at first sight with Kang Han Kyul when she randomly passes by him on her bike. The best part about this series is how adorable Lee Hyun Woo and Joy are together. Their flirtatious gestures and sweet lines to each other are so innocent and cute. You will especially take a liking to the OST as Joy partakes in singing a lot of it. The supporting cast is also pretty incredible as they have Song Kang, Sung Joo, Jang Ki Young and veteran doctor Choi Min Soo. Number 3. Dream High. Who could forget this wonderful drama of Kim So Yoon and Bae Suzy? Dream High tells the story of several high school students who aspire to become K-pop idols. Gohemi, played by Suzy, must convince two other students to come to her school in order for her to get accepted into the program. One of these students is Song Sam-dong, the legendary role played by Kim So-yoon. He is a boy from the countryside who meets Hemi and falls in love with her at the first sight. Following her to the Kirin High Art School, and her accent in this drama was really legit. Watching Dream High is like taking a walk down memory lane. You get to see a lot of well-established actors when they were first starting out in their careers. It's a feel-good drama that has a lot of dancing and singing scenes that will lift your spirits. It's rare that you get to see so many idols in one drama these days, which is why this particular series is extra special. And by the way, this drama also stars IU. Number 4. You Are Beautiful. You Are Beautiful is a classic K-drama starring Jang Jin-suk as Hwang Tae-kyung, as Park Sin-hye, as Gominam. Gominam joins Tae-kyung's rock group in replacement of her twin brother. But as the other group members slowly catch on that Minams is actually a girl, they start to develop strong feelings for her. This drama can be considered a classic, especially in the genre of romantic comedy. Not to mention, it has the likes of some very popular idols including Jung Young-hwa, Lee Hong-ki and Woo. It's a very light-hearted, easy watch, and it also features a very rare love square that will have your heart skipping a bit several times throughout. If you're looking for some ridiculous humor, this one will surely put a smile on your face. It's got everything you could ask for in a rom-com. Number 5. Paige Turner. Paige Turner has a cast of very visually appealing stars which won't disappoint you. With visuals like Kim So-hyun, Jisoo and Shin Jae-ha, you can be sure you won't be get bored. Yoon Yo-seol, played by Kim So-hyun, who is under the pressure of her mom, is an aspiring pianist who goes blind in a tragic accident. The best part of this short and sweet romantic drama is the love triangle that ensues between her, Seo Jin-mook, played by Shin Jae-ha, and Cha-sik, played by Jisoo. You will want to know who she ends up choosing. Being only 3 episodes and having Jisoo and Kim So Hyun as the leads, you really have nothing to lose. Aside from this great cast, the story of Yoon Seul going blind but getting the support she needs from friends and loved ones is a heartwarming one. Her ability to adjust to her new life and finding the hope to go on as a character is one that many will able to sympathize with. Number 6. Tomorrow Cantibal. Yuzin, played by Jowon, is measuring in piano in hopes of becoming a conductor. But there is a big problem that is in the way of him becoming one, which is that he can't get on planes. He is unable to travel to Europe to learn how to become a conductor. One day he meets Nae, played by Sim Yoon Kyung, and she falls madly in love with him. Shin Yoo Kyung is absolutely adorable and the quirky and love-struck Nae. Seeing how much she is smitten with Yuzin makes the drama so enjoyable to watch when the two fall in love with each other. There are many romantic scenes that will give you all the butterflies. They have a great chemistry and you will love seeing Joowon in a light-hearted rom-com. You will melt at how he turns from being such a stickler to a love-struck man. Number 7. Preserve Go Haira. Haira, played by Min Hyo-rin, is a singer who hopes to become famous so he can sing the songs that her late father had written. Although with her two good friends, she auditions for a reality singing program but is unable to win. She reunites with her two friends many years later and they are able to debut together. Another drama with a cast of some adorable idols who will surely make you smile. Preserve Go Haira is a fun-filled music K-drama. Seeing Min Hyo-rin showcasing her adorable Aego and seeing the love triangle from the first episode will definitely give you some second lead syndrome. There is laughter, tragedy and song and it will keep you hooked. Number 8. The recent drama Dodo Sol Sol Lala Sol Sol. The name is quite amazing, right? Kichi? Go Rara, played by Goara, has been playing piano against her own wishes almost her entire life. When she is finally given the chance to quit, she does so immediately and invests all her time into doing things she couldn't do before. When she is left at the altar and her father passes away, Rara has nowhere to go. She ends up in a small village outside of the city and meets Sunmo Jun, played by Lee Jae-wook. He ends up lending her money and taking her under his wing. This series is the newest one on this list but can definitely be considered a music drama. The drama tells the story of Rara, played by Goara, who is a pianist. It follows her journey of playing the piano while hating it to then falling in love with it again. She realizes that her love for the piano was never lost and that she has the power to touch people's heart through her skill. This also marks Lee Jae-wook's first lead role, which we all have been eagerly waiting for. Number 9. Heartstrings. Heartstrings stars Jung Young-hwa and Park Shin-hye in a college romance drama. Lee Sin is the lead singer and guitar player of a band, while Lee Kyo-won, played by Park Shin-hye, majors in traditional Korean music. Kyo-won ends up falling in love with the leader of the band, but he doesn't seem to be interested. When Shin eventually notices Kyo-won and falls in love, Kyo-won is faced with the decision of choosing between her dreams and love. What makes Heartstrings such an enjoyable watch is that it shows different types of music genres. It's also great to see Park Shin-hye's character playing the gaegeum, which is a traditional Korean instrument. This series does a good job at incorporating this instrument into modern music as well. The OST is full of catchy, sweet and adorable songs that are sung by Jung Young-hwa as well as some other idols. And if you were a fan of You Are Beautiful, you will absolutely love seeing Park Shin-hye and Jung Young-hwa reunite as lovers. Number 10. Trot Lovers. In Trot Lovers, Jang Jun-hyun, played by Ji Hyun-woo, is a popular singer and songwriter who does not appreciate the trot genre. But then he meets Choi Chun-hee, played by Jeong Yeon-ji, who loves trot music and aspires to become a trot singer. The two form an unlikely alliance and end up falling for each other. Any excuse to see Jeong Yeon-ji showcasing her incredible vocal skills is a blessing. She's got natural talent not only with singing but with acting too. Her chemistry with Ji Hyun-woo is undeniable and you will also find yourself having a second lead syndrome with Shin Sung-rock. Whether you are familiar with the trot genre or not, this series will make you fall in love with it as the OST is so catchy, it will put you in good spirits. Number 11. Entertainer. Shin Soko, played by Ji-sung, starts his own entertainment company in hopes of promoting a boy group that he knows will succeed. After Suko gets a DUI, he loses the boy group and is about to go under. He stumbles across a song sung by Hanyol, played by Kang Min Hyuk, who had once aspired to be a singer, but because of a brutal rumor is forced to put that dream aside. Jisung takes it upon himself to track Hanyol down and make him a star. If you like dramas where the underdog prevails, Entertainer is a great watch. It takes people who have had difficult past together to make beautiful music. The drama shows that mistakes can be made but they don't define you. Seeing a lot of familiar faces in the cast further makes it an enjoyable watch. You will also love the catchy songs that are sung by Kang Min Hyuk and the other artists. Number 12. Shut Up Boy Band. There is a high school band that is found with members Jo Byung Hee, Kwon Ji Hyuk, Lee Hyun Soo, Jang Do, Kim Ha Jin, and Seo Kyung Jong. They are well known and popular in the area and are known to have a bit of a bad boy image, mainly because of their lead singer Byung Hee. When tragedy strikes and Byung Hee gets killed in an accident, Ji Hyuk steps up as the main vocalist. This series touches on death, family, love and dreams. It's got all the drama you need packed in one storyline. Although there is a little disappointment with the cameo appearance of Lee Min Ki being too short, the series does pick up and Jung Sun does a great job of carrying the story. You will love seeing the band interact with each other and poke fun at each other all throughout the drama. The bromance is undeniably adorable. And at last, at number 13, The Best Hit. Probably one of my favorite dramas on the list after the drama Dream High. Yoo Hyun Jae, played by Yoo Shin Woon, was a part of a popular idol group in the 90s. One day Hyun Jae disappears and his car is found without his body. What people don't know is Hyun Jae has travelled forward in time to 2017. He accidentally meets Woo Seong, played by Lee Seong, who helps him tries to figure out how to go back in time. He also meets his son Ji Hoon, played by Kim Min Jae, who is now an adult. The Best Hit is about a self-absorbed idol who travels into the future, which helps him realize the important things in life. This drama is memorable not only for the OTP but also for its themes about family, friendship and finding your true self. It will make you laugh and cry and you will love seeing Yoon Si-yoon act as an idol. It's one drama that can't be missed and it's highly recommended from me. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I really do hope that you have liked this video and you must consider to watch some of these dramas. These are really good and just add all of these dramas to your watch list and just try to watch these dramas if you have time. And if you have watched the video till here, just give a thumbs up to the video guys. Just click the like button on this video guys. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos regularly. And if you haven't subscribed to Drama YT, what are you waiting for? Just click that red subscribe button. And yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle. I don't know why I'm so energetic, but on the Instagram handle it is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure.